In the current market environment, characterized by sectoral rotation, macroeconomic shifts, and evolving global trends like AI, green energy, and digital infrastructure, thematic investing offers a compelling opportunity for investors to align their portfolios with long term growth themes. Here's why investing in thematic funds, particularly the ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund, makes sense now. Why thematic funds matter now? Number one, targeted exposure to growth themes. Thematic funds invest in specific sectors or themes, example EVs, renewable energy, consumption, digitization, poised for long term structural growth. With markets reacting to policy changes, innovation, and global mega trends, these funds allow investors to benefit from concentrated bets on emerging opportunities. Number two, riding sectoral rotation. Markets often move from one outperforming sector to another. Thematic funds are well positioned to capitalize on these rotations by dynamically allocating capital to sectors with strong potential based on macro and micro triggers. Number three, portfolio diversification with high conviction ideas. Including a thematic fund in your portfolio introduces the exposure to niche sectors that traditional diversified funds might underrepresent. This improves the risk reward profile of a long term investment plan. Number four, professional management in evolving themes. With markets being increasingly complex, identifying and acting on themes requires deep research. Thematic funds are managed by experts who track macroeconomic data, global cues, and sectoral development closely. Now, why ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund stands out? Firstly, multi-theme strategy with dynamic allocation. This fund doesn't restrict itself to single theme. Instead, it identifies multiple high potential themes and actively rotates across them based on prevailing market trends and valuations, offering agility and diversification in one product. Number two, backed by strong research and track record, ICICI Prudential AMC is known for its disciplined investment process and macro-driven approach. The fund leverages deep research capabilities to identify the winning themes early and exit when valuations become stretched. Number three, downside protection and tactical allocation. Unlike single theme funds, the ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund dynamically reduces the exposure to underperforming themes and helping manage risk better during the volatile phases. Number four, regulatory tailwinds and policy support. Several of the fund's focus areas like infrastructure, manufacturing, which is like PLI schemes, green energy, and digital economy are aligned with government policy initiatives, offering strong tailwinds for long-term returns. Conclusion, why now? With global markets at an inflection point, navigating interest rate pivots, tech disruption, and geopolitical changes, investors need exposure beyond traditional sector diversification. ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund is well suited for this environment, offering access to the next gen growth stories, professional rotation among the promising themes, a research driven and risk conscious approach. Recommended for investors with a medium to long term horizon, 5+ years, and moderate to high risk appetite, looking to benefit from the structural trends in the economy.